One day, I had a dream. I saw myself nitagundidwa ndi galimoto, but when I woke up, I was okay, just because it was a dream. The other day, I had another horrible dream. Ndinapezeka ndili kumalo kwa mikango, komwe ina ndithamangitsa ufuna undipha. When I woke up, still was just a dream again. But one day I had a dream about my best friend. Yemwe namuona atabwera ku nyumba kwanga ndikudzayatsa moto nyumba yanga yonse. When I woke up, I felt bad about that friend. And from there, ndinayamba kumuopa, kumusala, thinking he's a very bad person. But after time, I thought of something. That I saw myself got hit by the car. I saw myself chased by the lions. So who's there to blame? And will all this happen to me? So why do I have to blame my friend for what I saw in my dreams? That's when I realized that dreams are just dreams. And some dreams are for certain. Kufuna kutidanitsa. Stop hating others for what you saw in your dreams.